So here's the finished installation. Of course, you can't tell what water heater it is because it's got the blanket on it, but it's a Rheem Performance Plus liquid propane water heater. So we went ahead and put in some new vent materials, some adjustable 45s, stainless steel connectors, you can see, hot and cold, and then went ahead and put in a new shutoff valve as well, full port ball valve. Got the insulation on there, got it wrapped, should be far enough away. I don't like the way these sit so close to the flue, but it doesn't feel hot, so I think we're okay. Relief line's tied back in, straps are in, upper third, bottom third, and then brand new gas supply line. The valve looks in good shape, so we left that there. It's full. It's already been through one cycle, so the water is now hot. And that is it.